Hello, dear friends. Welcome to this gentle meditation for those times when you're feeling too exhausted to practice or engage in your favorite activities. Let's begin by taking a moment to get comfortable, whether sitting up or laying down. Allow your body to settle into a position that feels natural and supportive. Now, let's bring our attention to the breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest or the subtle movement of your belly as you breathe. No need to change anything, just observe the natural rhythm of your breath. As we sit here together, I invite you to acknowledge the fatigue you may be feeling. It's okay to be tired. It's okay to feel overwhelmed by the demands of life. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let out a gentle sigh, releasing some of that tension. Notice any areas of your body that feel particularly heavy or tight, perhaps your shoulders, your jaw, or your lower back. With each breath, imagine a warm, soothing light spreading to these areas, softening and relaxing them. Now, let's turn our attention to the thoughts that may be swirling in your mind. Thoughts of all the things you should be doing or practicing. Perhaps feelings of guilt or frustration for not having the energy to engage in your usual activities. As these thoughts arise, simply notice them without judgment. They're like clouds passing through the vast sky of your awareness. You don't need to push them away or hold on to them. Just observe them as they come and go. In this moment of stillness, remind yourself that rest is not laziness. Rest is an essential part of life, just as important as activity. When we're exhausted, our body and mind are asking for something they need. Take a moment to appreciate your body's wisdom in signaling its need for rest. You're not failing by taking this time for yourself. You're listening to your innermost needs and honoring them. As we continue to breathe gently, I invite you to imagine a peaceful place where you feel completely at ease. It could be a quiet beach, a serene forest, or simply your favorite cozy spot at home. Visualize yourself in this place, feeling relaxed and rejuvenated. With each breath you take in, feel yourself absorbing the calm and tranquil energy of this space. With each exhale, release any remaining tension or worry. As we near the end of our practice, remember that even this short period of stillness is nourishing your body and mind. You don't need hours of meditation or intense activity to benefit. Every moment of mindfulness, no matter how brief, is valuable. Gradually begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Notice the sounds around you, the feeling of the surface supporting you. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes if they've been closed. Take a moment to notice how you feel now compared to when we started. Remember, You can return to this peaceful state anytime you need a moment of calm. I wish you restful moments and renewed energy. Stay mindful, friends.